Good morning, boys and girls. It is Monday, March 22, 2021. I sure hope you enjoyed your spring break and had lots of rest. This week, we are going to ease our way back into our math lessons. Now, keep your eyes on your screen and pay attention as I'm going to go over this for our review. Now, the cursor is moving onto the screen. We are going to read our title for the math up here that is in purple. Repeat after me. Let's read it. Math, think, addition, to, subtract. Let's read it again. Math, think, addition, to, subtract. Now, boys and girls, let's look down here really quick. You see where the cursor is moving? Remember, this is an addition equation. This is a subtraction equation. Repeat after me. Say addition, equation. Because right here we have an add sign, okay? This is what you call addition, this plus sign. Now, repeat after me. Say subtraction, equation. Now, this is a subtraction equation because this is a subtract sign. Now, we're going to go over this at an easy pace. Remember, this is a number line. We need this number line to help us answer how many circles go into this rectangle. Remember, what is this number here? 3. Good job. So look. There are already 3 red circles here. We don't have an answer here because we need to put some red circles in here. Now we need this number line to help us. Now, boys and girls, let's review. Watch me. This number is 3. So we go up here to the number line. We find 3. Then you're going to look here at this answer here, which is 5. We got to find 5 on the number line. So right here is 5. We're going to start at 3 and we're going to stop at 5. Remember, we're going to count by ones. Repeat after me. I will count by ones. Okay? Let's review now. Watch me. I'm going to start here. I'm going to jump till I get to 5. And I'm going to count by ones. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. We're going to stop at 5. Here we go. 1, 2. Let's count again. 1, 2. So boys and girls, how many red circles do I put in here? 2. Good job. So let's put 2 in here. 2 red circles. Now boys and girls, ready? Now that we have 2 red circles here, what is the number that I'm going to insert here? 2. Good job. So let's get 2 and let's insert 2 into our addition equation. Now this is complete. It reads 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let's read it together. Here we go. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now our addition equation is complete. Let's come down now here to our subtraction equation. Now, boys and girls, what number is missing? Good job. Look, 5 is already in front 3 is here. Now 2 just needs to be put back into our subtraction equation. So let's put 2 there. Now let's read it together. Here we go. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Let's read it again. Say it with me. 5 minus 3 equals 2. And both our equations are complete. Now, boys and girls, now this should look familiar to you because we went over this week. We're going to review it, okay? Now, let's come to this slide here. Our number here is 2. Therefore, this should be 2 also. You see how they're the same? Here is our number line. Now, boys and girls, what number is this? 0. So, boys and girls, are we going to put any red circles in this first rectangle? No, because this is 0, okay? But we have an answer here we're going to work with, okay? Now, we're going to come up here to this number line. This first number is 0, so I'm going to have to find that up here on the number line. Now, we found 0 here. This number is 2, so we're going to have to find 2 also. Here it is right here. Now, we're going to have to jump till we get to 2. We are going to count by ones. Repeat after me. I will count by ones. Here we go now. We're going to stop at 2. We're going to jump. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2. Let's count again. Here we go. 1, 2. Now, boys and girls, how many red circles are we going to put in this rectangle? 2. Good job. So let's insert 2 there. Now, boys and girls, we have 2 red circles here because we jumped 1, 2 to get to this 2. Now, if 2 red circles are here, what is our answer here? 2. Good job. So let's insert 2 there because that is our answer there. It reads 0 plus 2 equals 2. Let's read it again. 0 plus 2 equals 2. Now our addition equation is complete. Let's come down here to our subtraction equation. Now, boys and girls, what number is missing here? 2. Good job. So let's insert 2 here. Because watch, this 2 is already up here. This 0 is right here. Therefore, we just insert this 2 back into our answer. Now, let's read it together. Here we go. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Let's read it again. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Now look here. Both of our equations are complete. Okay? Now, here we come now to the next slide. Same thing. We have our number line here. We have 8 here. Therefore, this needs to be 8. 4 is up front. We already have 4 red circles up here. We don't know the answer to this because we need this number line to help us figure out how many circles go in here. Now, like always, we're going to have to use the number line. What number is this, boys and girls? 4. Good job. So therefore, we're going to have to find number 4 on the number line, which is here. Now, we're going to find this number now. What is this number? 8. So we're going to have to go over here and find 8, which is here. Now, we're going to start at 4. We're going to stop at 8. Repeat after me. I will count by ones. Repeat it again. Here we go. I will count by ones. Ready? Here we go. Repeat after me. We're going to stop at 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. Ready? Remember, we're going to start at 4. We stop at 8 because 8 is right here. We have to stop here. Let's count it again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many red circles do I put here? 4. Good job. So let's put 4 red circles into our rectangle. Now, boys and girls, now that we have 4 red circles in our rectangle, what is our answer here? 4. Good job. So let's insert 4 into our answer there because there are 4 red circles here. So therefore, this has to be 4. Now, let's read it. Here we go. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Let's read it again. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That is true because we have 4 circles here. We have 4 circles here. And when you count them all together, that's going to give you 8. Now, let's come here to our subtraction equation. What answer is missing here? 4. Good job. So let's insert 4 there. Now look, 8 is already in front. This 4 is already here. Therefore, this purple 4 has to come here. Now let's read it together. Here we go. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Let's read it again. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Now, boys and girls, our equations are complete now. We are done. Now, get a paper and pencil. Once you get your paper and pencil, boys and girls, this is your homework. I want you to copy down this statement here. It says math, think, addition, to, subtract. Copy that on your paper. Once you're done, I want you to put number 4 right here. Copy this number line, and I want you to put your numbers also on your number line. I want you to draw 2 rectangles here. You're going to put 1 circle here because 1 is here, and I want you to copy down your equations here. Now, boys and girls, once you're done copying these 2 equations, I want you to figure out, okay, you're going to count how many circles go in here. You're going to use this number line to help you. Remember, if you get stuck or if you forget, rewind the video and rewatch it so that way you'll become familiar with it. When you're done, put it in a folder because you are going to return this on Friday. Now, pause the screen right here because I'm going to log off in about another 15 seconds.